Hello, my name is Nick Carroll, and I have something big to unbox. So before I start this unboxing, I just want to make clear this is the 2013 edition of this keyboard, not the 2014 edition. This actually comes with the Cherry MX blue mechanical keyboard key design instead of the new Razer green key mechanical design. So I just want to clear that up before the rest of this video continues. I'll give you a brief tour of the box. As you can see, here's that there. See if you can see all that. You may not be able to make out the details, but you can tell they put a little bit of work into the box. You can see it's an Elite series. They have 3 levels: Elite, Expert, and Essential. And this is their highest end keyboard series. More of the packaging, not a big deal. I mean, here's what the package looks like, etc. But the reason why I do these unboxing videos is to sort of give people an idea of what these are going to look like when they go into the store to pick them up. And I'm going to go ahead and pull these tabs here. There is some tape covering over each tab, and I figure I might as well remove that before I do this unboxing, so you can kind of see how this opens up. I can pretty much open up either way. So I'm going to go ahead and since this, one of the things I like about this is that I picked this up from Fry's, but I can actually feel the keys here. You can kind of hear how they click. Anyways, but you can actually play around with that before you even buy it. So anyways, go ahead and open this up. I'm going to go ahead and put this out here. So now that we've got it out of the box, let's go ahead and see what else we need to do. So it looks like here's a little, is there anything in here? Doesn't feel like it. I guess this is just packaging. Go ahead and lift this up. Okay, that's kind of like a divider. It's got a cord in here. See if I can figure out how to get this out without causing any sort of a breakage of the board. So this part here just came out. It's no big deal. Throw it out of the way and rip this out. Looks like this almost has to be completely disassembled. Kind of weird. I've already slightly tore that there. Okay. So we're going to lift that up. Pull this out. Okay, here is the keyboard. And inside here, okay, so here's like a little pamphlet or manual. It says here, see if you can see that, for gamers by gamers, www.razorzone.com. Looks like it has some materials in here, so that's kind of cool. Slip that out of the sleeve. So it looks like some stuff. Okay, that's cool. Just little materials, no big deal. Then go ahead and toss this to the side. Doesn't appear to be anything in here, so I'll go ahead and toss that to the side. This is all empty. And this was actually on top of it, but it basically flopped off when I was lifting it out. So here's the keyboard itself, what it looks like. Here's the serial and stuff. Here's the cable. Looks like there's some tape here. Pulling that off this way. A couple of these little twist ties. Easy enough to get off. those are off. And the cool thing about this is we have a little bit of a braided cable. Let me see if I can show this to you. Here's the splitter. Goes off to 2 USB cables. I suspect one of these is to power it, and the other one is a pass-through. And here's the 2 audio cables. It's pretty stiff, but not inflexible design. Looks like it'll work pretty good. And look how long this cable is. I can go way back here. This is like I have a wingspan of 6'4", even though I'm 5'9". This is about 6.5 foot of cable here, so that's pretty cool. And we have this. Now let's listen to how these keys sound. Here's the WASD keys. Keyboard, the space bar. Arrow keys. I play with these a lot. So, and I'm going to depress it, not all the way, but listen to this. So a little bit more than halfway down, or about halfway down. So I guess it's a 4mm depress, and about the 2mm mark is when that click sound hits. And you know when you have that click, that is where you know the impact has occurred. So that's pretty cool. It's pretty heavy, not too heavy. You know, it's going to be on your desk, but it's 3.3 pounds, and it's pretty sturdy. Let me see what it feels like to type. Yeah, that's pretty good. Now let's see what it looks like when I light it up. Okay, I've now plugged it in, and you can actually increase it's backlit, so you can increase the backlit by holding the function key down and hitting F12. You start seeing that it lights up. Alright, so I'm going to turn this around so you can see this a little bit better. Sorry for that noise. Okay, I'm going to try it again. Function. So it gets pretty bright. This is at its brightest. I'm not sure how many times you have to click to be bright, but I bet if I subtract this, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17. Wow, there's a lot of levels of brightness. So I hit it like 15 or so times to get it bright, and then I hit it 15 times in the other direction, and it finally goes out. So that's pretty impressive. I'm not sure how sophisticated that is, but anyways, I just want to do this quick little unboxing. I'm not going to give you a great product tour necessarily, and it's not a review, of course, because I only just received this, but that's basically it, guys. Thank you for watching this unboxing video. Have a great day.